lobtu tsama lola kungkam sa tharinge jinda chungni lobse chongle dechen to lobdun chigi dj lobchen tsama nge inge to ma is. So let's start this session. Today I'm going to be conducting class on business studies, class 12, principles of management. After studying this chapter, you will learn the meaning of management principles, nature, features or characteristics of management principles, significance or importance of management principles, Taylor's scientific principles, Fayol's principle of management, Fayol versus Taylor, a comparison. Now we will know the meaning of principles of management. A managerial principle is a broad and general guideline for decision making and behavior. These principles are just the guidelines or a suggestion, piece of advice that are used for taking various decisions and influencing the behaviors for the entire organization. For example, if there are two managers who has to decide about promotion of an employee, one manager may think quality of work or principle of merit as in basis for promotion. The other might think seniority as in number of years served as a basis for promotion. So in such situation, the management principles or the guidelines will help the managers in deciding which method works best for the company or the organization. But you must understand that it is not necessary or mandatory for all the managers to follow these principles. In short, these are just guidelines. Management principles are just guidelines that can be used by the managers in order to manage business. And now we are moving on to our next topic, nature of principles of management. So, students, stay focused. First feature we have universal application. The principles are applicable in all types of organization, business as well as non-business, small as well as large organization. It doesn't matter whether the business is small or large, profit or not for profit organization, public sector or private sector. As the word itself says, universal, these principles can be applied everywhere. Next, we have general guidelines. They are general guidelines to action and decision making. However, they do not provide ready-made solution as the business environment is ever changing or dynamic. Management principles are general guidelines. These principles do not provide a ready-made solution or a tailor-made solution for every problem or uncertainty in the organization because of ever-changing business environment. These principles are just guidelines on the basis of which we take decision or action. Third point is formed by practice and experimentation. These management principles are not developed within one day. These principles are formulated after so many years of observation, research work, experimentation, as well as personal experiences gained by the skill managers over the years. These management principles are the outcome or the end result of continuous research work and continuous observation and experimentation. Next, we have flexibility. Management principles are very flexible in nature. They can be changed or modified according to the needs or requirements of the management. Management principles are not rigid or fixed or static. You can make amendments as and when the situation demands. Another characteristics of management principle is mainly behavioral. It means that management principles are directed towards or aimed at human behaviors, because in an organization we are dealing with human resource. We are basically managing employees. We are basically managing people. So these principles are developed to guide and influence the human behaviors. Next, we have cause and effect relationship. In simple terms, it refers to when an event causes another event to happen, which is the result. So, management principles are based upon cause and effect. It means that what is going to be the effect, what is going to be the result if a particular principle is applied to a particular situation. For example, according to a principle called division of work, if the whole organization work is divided into smaller tasks or smaller jobs, it would lead to specialization and increase in productivity and efficiency. This principle states that if division of work is applied in an organization, its effect would be increase in productivity and efficiency, and it will also lead to specialization. Our last feature is contingent. It means that how, when, and which principle can be applied is all depends on the kind of situation you are dealing with. Thamadila business studies ki chapter niwa principles of management ki tordi chunjushi thangbudila nga jo meaning jangzare meaning dikhar le dulana management principle ki the guideline doshre ra su chedulare managers chedula organization ki nala lya chinge employees do da members chedulare ani khar che chedure denzo guideline decision len chedulare hosa and organization na chokpa dinanglo la khandes to behave chin deo me on the chedulare denzo guideline denzo khare chik suggestion doshte gor lamga doshte gor ra khande mo khande kange chena ra then di de peju china and dende yores and yapu yores to da and do re niba de langa jo nature of principles of management dinang khar share lana kogi characteristics kogi kheju to ya kogi qualities to ra ani thangbu dikharesha universal applicability management principles nzo chopa khande dojina ra peju cheres peshana chopa chunju dojina re chambu dojina re business profit sange dojina re yamena profit masange dojina re yamena shungaji dojina re yamena gergaji chopa dojina re khande dojina la principles nzo peju cheres niba dila general guideline dojres the principle samaya tigi ngajula lamga dosh tungure direction dosh tira khande decision lengo me ra ina solution jiti martela ra solution dodo jing di china di ngure doda and dosh lag mare sumba dila formed by practice and experimentation principles tinzo research mangbu chinera lo ni research mangbu chine ani chiga managers mangbu chiga ji experiences sama record chinera and dende principles dende chagyore nima chik do da chen chik la and dinzo principles se mares ra shiba dila flexibility principles dinzo sama rigid yo marla ra to tega rang peju chigo me do yo mares dinzo gyua tanga yo res ra situation manda la ra di sama principles manda gyua tanga yo re ya peju loga do tanga yo res situation la ra lu res ngaba di mainly behavior principles in sama 수강 aim shawore humans kan shawor kachin la na ngajo organization choba de nanglo la humans den zo manage ura machines den zo da lela ura button do shnem charo ina de la humans den zo manage ura kan humans den zo tanda situation diga do dende do do keje chik she do da ya nima hashis ni yamena jula khare keje loga do shira human khande behave chiwe me ondila anzo roba chires tinzo principles tinzo cause and effect relationship principles tinzo gi cause and effect relationship chi build chire ra dinang har shirla na anzo principle situation chi gado principle di pheju chiga china principle chi pheju chiga china khoji result khande doshli ra result tende doshli re do ra on tungo re dinzo principles dinzo ngabo di contingent principles dinzo chama khare tanda situation khande rashto do at particular point of time tanda do the situation khande doshto on diga ralu ra the principles dinzo pheju tangu dumindu on diga ralu Peshana esprit de corps la principle chiore dina khare encourage gorla na yo team spirit ra teamwork encourage gor di kunzo shula at a later stage kunzo shingre di kola ni lobdin chiwo dina khar shirla na nga member chero lega chama chidi nganzo la ni nyam do chin yo on the encourage wordela the organization na yo group dos na lega chigyo na the principle di apply chawra chama nga chibuchi nga che lan member che nganzo chama nyam do chiwo lan ra an lega chama chago chubu yungre la do ina organization na group work do jmega china ro chama the individual lega do chigo na ani the esprit de corps principle chi do apply chagu mares ra tade contingent di leg do situation khande do jina ra tende kap do and principle apply chama cha la do jiores ra tanda situation khande do sto on di paela ani principle dinzo apply chima chi do jiores ko su sa okay am tharing darai tuji china